A day at the beach. We dug a hole. And then a channel. If Celeste gets out the way. I don't want to see a bum crack. It caved in. Oh no. They're fighting.
He gave up already.
Doing his man's job.
Doing his man job?
Yeah.
You get his come up.
While we do our female job and supervise.
Update does the female job of supervising.
Glad that you got me hitting Harry with a
It
shovel.
is. It's kind of flowing.
So it's like me after a big weekend.
Oh, with your vomit and shit.
Oi! Get me my beers.
There's some power drawing those kids to the hole.
I know.
Standing there for like half an hour.
These kids are randomly like
Shut up.
Cut me with that shovel.
those kids.
What are they doing? It's hypnotic.
They're just standing at our hole.
Like zombie children.
Just like zombie children.
Exactly like zombie children.
Uh-oh.
Uh-oh. Look, there's a brawl starting out.
Someone's gonna get hurt. Probably cracked.
Seb already dropped it on his toe.
Just punch in the balls.
We should do this more often and then have fights in the middle of the pit.
Shovel.
I'm fucked.
Harry's trolling a hole.
Ah, Harry's a troll.
Yeah, Trev, play tennis.
Ah.
Alright, let's go.
We all going to Nando's now? Harry needs to cool down and clean off.
Guys, we have to go.
Yeah, Trev.
The scary kids are leaving the hole now. Woo! He wet everything, eh?
Technical devices.
Yeah, I know. He got Trev's phone all wet and I was like, ah!
Everyone's phone wet. I hate you, Harry.
Could see this going really bad. Someone's gonna get hit in the head. That was on camera.
Let's go and get a shovel to the plate.
Yeah, I know. I was just thinking that.
Someone's gonna go from out there. Give me a shot. Wait, one more.
Like a mini swimming pool.
Yeah.
All you need is like
Heater jets in the sand.
and you'll be set.
With your paddleboard and straightener at the, the beach. There we go. Harry lost his hat.
Hey, Harry, I got one more to redeem myself.
Looks like an idiot because he's fully clothed.
Out the way before I get
The kids.
Trev's kind of blocked. Actually, went to the
Suck. I'm hungry.
Did you have a pin on you?
A pen?
Pin.
Pin? No.
Anywhere?
What for?
Open something.
You blister? Nah. I only have stuff for like piercings and shit on me. Huh? Yeah. Oh, wait till we get to Nando's. I'm sure we could pop it there.
Got a knife. Get a
Yeah.
get Fernando.
Hi. She's talking to you.
Look at Seb.
They're like clothes.
Seb, do you want to say hi to the camera?
No.
No, no. Seb dropped the shovel on his toe and he's
Alright, Danny.
upset now.
No more ball. Fuck. I reckon.
Oh, there goes Harry. Harry knows where it's at.
That's the golden retriever. I'm Anchor?
Huh?
Get that, eh?
Shit in your bag.
Okay. Hey, Celeste.
My hair's gross today. Look how gross it is.
That was mine.
Judge.
You look hot in your sunnies.
We're gonna go to Nando's.
Yeah.
Yeah. Drinking Coke. Alright, tracked.
She got me addicted.
Damn right, Coke's better than Pepsi.
Yes, it is. Pepsi tastes like shit.
No, you're not.
Look at Sammy's sexy beach body.
Ooh.
His masculine pink belly bar.
Alright, are we going to Nando's now?
Yeah, we are.
That's Pepsi. Hi, Pepsi.